For tonight, I think Jason's just tripping to order this because I have this. I had that, but I cannot finish it. And then suddenly Jason ordered this. Nako. Wait lang. Imagine that. That's so funny. Jolly spaghetti. So, no, I'm not a fan of Jollibee spaghetti because it's too sweet and it seems like it's for the kids, but I liked it large. This one is a large, different size, and it's more yummy. Oh, look, a nut job. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. Hala. Oh my goodness. It's a large, also. Oh, So, uy, halaka. So, who wants this? Ay, nako. He's gonna eat chicken without rice. He grew up eating chicken with no rice in the UK. But I don't eat chicken with no rice. So tonight I'm not eating chicken nor that. Yeah, so I'll just have that tonight. But I'll open this to see. Yeah, but I'm not eating tonight because I just had a mandu. I just had Korean, what do you call it? Korean dumplings. So
I'll just put you in a nut job.
Ayun, one bucket of this. So, uy, my favorite. Ow, it's so hot. Oh, diba? My goodness. Mariusep. And, ta-da. I think I have this. Let me try, because I don't like it anymore. So let's open this.
Gravy.
Yeah, gravy for the chicken.
Yeah.
A gravy for the chicken. So I'll open it. Okay. It's counting the second. Let's eat for guys.